Good evening, children. I'm back here again with another chapter of English grammar, that is preposition. You know, children, preposition is a part of speech which is little difficult, but now I'm going to teach you simple preposition that we use daily. So, what are preposition? Let us try out these examples and then we'll understand it better. Rita's balloon is above the head. Now her balloon is under the table. Now her balloon is on the chair. Now her balloon is at the back of her. Now the balloon is in the box. Now the balloon is in front of her. Now the balloon is near the basket. Now the balloon is in between the basket and the chair. So the words above, under, on, behind, in front of, in between are words which tells us about the position of something or things that is related to another. These are known as prepositions. And what are prepositions? Prepositions are words which tells us about something which is related to something. So let me see how much you know now. Let us do one exercise. Sita is fond of dolls. Here, which is your preposition? Preposition is of. Let us go for a walk. Again, for is a preposition. The dog ran across the field. Across is a preposition. A preposition is a word placed before a noun or a pronoun to show the relative position or the things denoted by the noun standing to someone else, something else rather. So, I hope you understood what is preposition. Then preposition is a word which helps a noun to be denoted for its relation with a person or a thing, or a noun which stands for something. Now, let me revise again with the prepositional words that we will do in this exercise. Above, under, on, behind, in front of, between, near, across, towards, through, after, round, beside, behind, from. These are all prepositions. It will take time for you to understand this because it will help you for your future classes also. Children, I have already done this exercise in the PDF file for you to copy. Please do copy it as your homework assignment. Still then, stay with me, be happy, missing you a lot. We will meet after the whole lockdown with a big bang in the class with live classes. I am missing you. Bye.